Hello, this is Garemore again. Today I finally finished my iPhone wired remote control project. This is the finished product. We can press the button here and music will start playing out of our Bluetooth speaker here. We can double click and it'll change tracks. You can see the LED is glowing. Yeah, right there. You can also call Siri with this, but if you do, it will disconnect your Bluetooth. So I'm not going to do that. And you can, and also no volume control with this either. It's just, that's really just 5 components: a resistor, LED, button, and capacitor. And that's all you need to build a simple remote control for your iPhone. And of course an enclosure to put them in. I'm going to stop the camera and I'm going to take it apart to show you what's on the inside. Alright, here's what's going on the inside. You see the LED and the button. And the resistor, which you're not going to be able to see that. And the capacitor, which is underneath. So that's not going to be visible. And all the soldered connections are just under the button. It's all glued. I've glued it all in place so that it doesn't move. You can see much more clearly that the LED does get turned off when you press the button because it shorts the power supply to it. The power supply is current limited anyway, so it won't really damage it. And that's it. This is the final product for the iPhone remote control project. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.